This is the steak that I just seasoned, and I got the temperature probe in to my Ninja Foodie grill, which has helped me gain weight since I got it for Christmas. I bought it for myself as a Christmas gift, and for my previous videos, I stated that I'm going to go on a slimfast diet. Well, I will, hopefully soon, but I had this ribeye steak that still needed to be cooked in my refrigerator, so I'm having this for breakfast. Put a little seasoning on there, both front and back, and I'm about ready to put it on the grill. Nice sizzle. It's ready to cook. So the number on the right is the temperature of the probe, and the number on the left is the final temp. I kind of ignore that. I preset this to a medium setting, and what I usually do is I like to pull for ribeye, I actually like to cook it on a high temperature up to about close to well done, so that all the fat is cooked out. It seems like on a ribeye steak it takes me longer to cook to get it to where I want, but it's still red, pink on the inside and warm. On other steaks like top sirloin or a New York strip or filet mignon, I have to pull it a lot earlier. At about 105 degrees, I'll pull it out of the grill. But on this one, I'm going to pretty much take it up to its full temperature, and I have it set initially for medium or medium well. I'm going to take it up to well done. That's as far as it's going to go for the settings. So on my next video, I will show you how the steak turns out. And in this video, I'm just showing you how I sort of prep and cook the steak to my liking. And like I said in my dieting video, this Ninja grill really does a good job on making an excellent steak after you learn how to use it. Okay, we'll see you on the next video.